Welcome, in front of me is a Honor View 20, and today I'll show you how to use the screen recording option. Now to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the toggle, which is right here. And all you need to do is just simply tap on it. It looks like there is no settings to it. So once you tap on it, for the first time you'll get this pop-up, so it shows you the most unreasonable guide there, like we don't know what microphone and timer does in recording. So as you can see, it's now recording. Everything I do on the device will be recorded, along with also the touches that I put in. So everywhere I touch, you can see that there's a dot following my finger. And at this moment, the microphone is turned off. If you wanted to record the voice, you would just tap on the mic like so, and it will now record also the voice. Once you finish recording, all you need to do is tap right over here. It stops recording, saves it in the gallery. So let's open that up, and you can see that it popped up right here. So let's tap on it and press to play. I'll give it a moment before I actually started doing something. It took a couple of seconds. So that's basically the screen recording option. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.